Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and we are out running through a project that's getting ready to list. If you're looking in the Dunwoody area, let us know. We'll set you up with the realtor before it even comes live. But gorgeous cedar contemporary home. We're gonna come in and clean up these beams right here, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna hand clean the gutters, make sure they're flowing properly because they're molded over the front. We're gonna catch just this one piece right here, guys. Let's clean this up and restain this. You can see it from inside the house. See the streak in the gutters? And then because all this water's been coming over the tops of the gutters, it rotted out these stairs right here. So we'll go ahead and pressure wash this stuff. It's all simple stuff, really. If you want to maximize the resale price of your house, you're wise to do this on the front end because buyers assume that it's going to cost 4 times what it actually costs. Plus, you want that first impression. So we'll restain this. The reason this rotted out is because even though it's pressure treated wood, pressure treated just permeates the surface a little bit. So it's not pressure treated all the way solid through the wood. People kind of don't understand that. So when you cut the edges, if you don't seal them, they rot. That's exactly what happened here. See the corners? So we'll fix that all up. And again, we're out with the real estate agent today. Leslie will go ahead and get this house sold. She wants this water table cleaned up. So we try to minimize what sellers are spending. And if they listen to her, her houses all sell fast. Good, bad markets. I've known her for years. She's somebody you want to know if you're working in this area. This door jamb here into the crawl space area. We'll come back and repair both sides of this. The water splashing down here from the trees. Inside the crawl space, we're gonna create a little storage area right here. Someone has sprayed some spray foam in here. The sheathing got damaged years ago. We'll put pegboard right here with some hooks and they can have some storage there. And that'll end any issues over there. Really cheap fix for that. Coming back up through here. Cedar, this house is cedar sided. It kills me. I hear from so many contractors how bad cedar siding is. Cedar siding is your best natural siding. Don't get talked into replacing it. Just maintain what you have. We'll clean up this deck, pressure wash and restain. Pressure wash this flagstone work back here. This is really cute. And then up here, the chimney got abused. It didn't have kick-out flashing for a long time. And so we got about 10 boards on the right side that need to be replaced. We got about 10 on the center, the main face. And then we've got, most cedar houses were never caulked. So if you have a house like this one, you own it, spend some money, wash it down good, caulk it, and cedar siding will last 100 years. Woodpecker got in here now. This corner board, we'll replace this face, even though somebody replaced this front face with a hardy board. We'll pull that and come back in this corner with cedar. This side right here, we got a couple boards here, and then this corner board is rotted too. And that's really all we'll have to do here. The guys will check these gutters. 2x3 downspouts. If you have them, you really want 3x4s. Inspector's not going to care about it, so we're not going to fix it now, but we need to flush this corrugated pipe and make sure it's clear enough to run and go ahead and get this house sold. My brother and I run a crew of 20 to 30, just depends where we are. We do everything. Just be patient with us. A lot of inspection repairs. If you've got water issues on a house, which fortunately this one doesn't, call us before you spend a ton of money on some of these clowns that could put a water extraction system inside your house. They create white elephants and spend a lot of money when you don't need to. We always try to minimize expense. We've been doing this for 30 years in Atlanta. Handy Andy Handyman's become Atlanta's top home repair remodel company. You can reach us in the office, or you can get to me sometimes directly at 770-265-9017, where one call mostly does all. Take care. Have a great day. Bye now.